Ready to transform your look? These 20 shag cuts change everything. The classic layered shag. This timeless style is perfect for women over 50 looking to restore bounce and weightless movement to flat, aging locks. Shaggy Bob with curtain bangs. An excellent choice for framing round faces while providing a chic, youthful frame that instantly softens prominent facial lines. Curly shag for natural texture. Designed specifically to prevent dense, curly tresses from looking boxy, giving older curls defined bounce and modern lightness. The Wispy Pixie Shag. Perfect for active senior women wanting a low-effort crop that adds a feathery texture and youthful energy to thin hair. Medium-length shag with wispy bangs. An excellent choice for concealing forehead wrinkles gracefully, while retaining flattering length around the collarbone. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. The Ultra-Choppy Wolf Cut. Best suited for thick hair types needing significant weight removal to achieve maximum movement, volume, and an edgy modern vibe. Salt and pepper textured shag. A beautiful way to transition to natural silver, using PC layers to blend multitonal gray shades seamlessly. Razored shag for fine hair. Utilizes sharp razor cutting to create illusionary depth and bulk, transforming fine strands into a full-bodied look. Long shag with face framing layers. Keeps beloved length while heavily softening mature features and drawing flattering attention directly to the eyes and cheekbones. Short Spiky Shag. An edgy anti-aging powerhouse cut that lifts the gaze upward and provides incredible crown height effortlessly. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. Shaggy Lob Long Bob. The ultimate compromise for balancing sophisticated elegance with a messy texture, adding structural density to thin hair. Heavily layered shag with straight bangs. A bold choice that shortens elongated faces beautifully, while giving a powerful, youthful definition to the eyes. Textured shag for wavy hair. Enhances natural waves without frizz, creating a messy wash-and-go silhouette that thrives on air drying beautifully. Voluminous crown shag. Focuses heavily on short, stacked interior crown layers to provide dramatic root lift for very flat hair types. The Shaggy Pixie Bob. A sophisticated hybrid that gives the easy maintenance of a pixie with the flattering, face-framing length of a classic bob. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. Sleek modern shag. Proof shags aren't just for messy hair. Uses clean, flat-iron texturized layers for a highly polished, elegant outcome. The asymmetrical shag. A chic choice that distracts wonderfully from facial asymmetry, creating an artistic, modern profile for fashionable seniors. Shag with wispy razor cut layers. Perfect for reducing heavy, overwhelming volume in thick hair while maintaining a soft, delicate, and airy outer edge. Short tapered shag. Hugely flattering for oval faces, using a neat neck taper combined with messy crown pieces for an instant facelift illusion. Shag with thick curtain bangs. Ideal for long or high foreheads, providing dramatic structural density up front, while retaining beautiful layered motion everywhere else. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments.